Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Gemini AI for free. You can use Gemini for free by signing in with your Google account at gemini.google.com to access the web version, which include basic features and a free model like 2.5 Flash. Now, another method is to use the mobile app where you can actively activate Gemini by saying, "Hey Google," or using a specific gestures as well. Now, if you want to use the app, then what you need is you just need to install it. Now, in most of the cases in today's devices, Gemini is already installed. So you just want to go ahead and look for it. If not, you cannot find it, then you want to go ahead and look for it in the respective app store. So type in Gemini on the search bar and install the Gemini app onto your device. So click on the open button. Now, as you could see, I've already installed or I've already set it up. So basically you need to continue with your Google account. And now you could see that now I've actually set it up. You could go ahead and either you could now then go ahead and explore, or you can ask questions, create image, and use Gem, which is a specialized version of Gemini for a specific task like writing or study. So basically, you could also use this for a voice indicator. As you could see at the bottom right hand side corner, you would go ahead and speak, and then the answer is going to be given to you in a text format, or maybe in the volume, or in the voice or audio call itself. So now if you want to upload a video or file, you click on the plus button, then you could access these options. So basically you'll be able to use Gemini AI for free in this way. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.